So let's work through an example together. We're going to solve this by graphing. So from the first line, our y-intercept is -3. Let's put that on the graph. Our slope, we're going to write it as a fraction, is -2/1. So I'm going down 2 and to the right 1. So starting from -3, I go down 2 and to the right 1, down 2 to the right 1. I'm going to put a lot of points so I can clearly see where they intersect. Then I'm going to go up 2 and left 1, just to get a few more points. Then connect and add arrows. Change colors. My next line, my y-intercept is also -3. So that could be the solution right there. My slope is -4/2. So I'm going to go down 4 and right 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, I'm out of room, so I'm going to go up 4 and left 2. So these points are all on the same line. So since it's the same line, that means I have infinite solutions. Well, I can't check it today because there's no solution to check. So how do I know that it had infinite solutions? Because the graph was of the same line. There are infinite solutions because the graphs were the same line. Another way to explain that is to talk about the slopes and the y-intercepts. So you could also say they're infinite solutions because the slopes, and y-intercepts were the same. That's another way to explain that. It's the exact same line. So this is how we will justify our answers today. So our answers will probably be either no solution or infinite solutions. So you'll just tell me, how do you know to justify it?